In this video, I'll show you how to stream Peacock on Google TV, and I will also show a picture of my dog. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. From the Google TV home screen, scroll to Apps or select the Google Play Store icon. Step 2. Search for Peacock TV. Select the search bar and type Peacock. Then choose Peacock Stream TV and Movies by NBC Universal Media LLC from the results. Now install the app. Select the install button to download and install the app and wait for installation to complete. Step 4. Open and set up Peacock. Find the Peacock app in your apps or home, open the app and log in with your Peacock account credentials. Step 5. Sign up for Peacock. If you do not have an account yet, select sign up, then enter your email and create a password. Choose your subscription plan. This can be free, premium or premium plus. Premium plus will be the most expensive. Step 6. Start streaming content. Browse or search for movies, TV shows or live content. Select to play and enjoy streaming Peacock TV. And that is how you stream Peacock on your Google TV. I hope you found this video helpful. Here's a nice picture of my dog. He's very cute. Subscribe.